2009 Victory Jackpot Core and S edition, full factory custom. The bike is actually a numbered edition. It's number 193. Hopefully you guys can see that. The bike is loaded with RLNS factory parts from Victory, even the pipes. They're the slash-ness type pipes. If you look at the bike, you see RLNS accents all over it. Right there on the engine cover, if you notice the oil cap with the temperature gauge, that's something I added. It's billet. If you can get a good look at that. And then just look at the grips, the mirrors. Beautiful motorcycle. Look at the wheels, RLNS wheels. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to crank it up. The only thing you'll need a key for is to get into the gas tank. So I added the digital guard dog keyless ignition system. The module is actually in here underneath that cover behind the headlight. Turn it on with a key fob. So what we'll do, we'll turn on the kill switch. On the key fob, trying to do this while I'm holding a phone in my hand, and then crank it up.